All right. So, welcome to Dragon Coders, where you learn to code cool things. My name's Max. I'll be teaching the class again this year, and the first thing that I want to introduce to you guys is going to be really interesting. This is something that I saw when I was in college, and it totally amazed me. It's something called a fractal. So today you guys are going to make something that is a purely like a mathematical type idea which creates infinite beautiful patterns, and you're going to do it in a single class. It's really easy to make, and it actually comes from kind of a game. So I'll tell you guys what a fractal is, and then I'll tell you about the game that we're going to play. So over here you can see this is an example of a fractal. So what that is that it's a pattern that just keeps repeating forever, and it looks the same whether you're looking at it really zoomed in or really zoomed out. You see, like over here, this pattern just sort of keeps repeating everywhere. They happen in nature a lot, and they're really interesting, and we can actually make our own pattern like this with a really simple shape and a really simple game. The shape is an equilateral triangle, which you guys might have heard of before. Probably everyone knows what a triangle is. It has 3 straight sides. An equilateral triangle is special because every side is the same length. So the way the game goes is we're going to have our own triangle that we're going to make inside of Tinker. And it's going to look like this. So you see these 3 different colored these 3 different colored balls. We're going to have a character. You're going to make it, this character. Doesn't have to be a turtle, but I chose a turtle for mine. And so that's what I'm going to be using for my example. What you're going to make is a game where you have a character that's in the middle of an equilateral triangle. So you see how this is the same triangle shape as over here, where you have 3 different sides, just like this, 3 sides. Each one of these is spaced equally apart, so all these sides are the same length. And the game goes like this. Your character is going to start in the middle of this triangle, and we're going to basically pick a random number. And we are going to number each of these balls. So this is going to be like 1, 2, 3, right? So we pick a random number for the turtle to go towards. So say we pick ball number 1, which let's say this is ball number 1 up here. Wherever the turtle is, he's going to jump halfway towards that ball. So for instance, if he started here, the halfway point between that ball and him is like here, so he'd jump to here. So now the turtle's here. Now say you picked another random number, like 2, which makes you want to go towards this pink ball. You would again go half the distance from wherever you are towards that pink ball. So say you start here, now you jump halfway to there, which would probably be like around here. And you just keep jumping around forever, and then a really cool pattern happens after a bunch of jumps. So we're going to make this, and if we do it right, it should look really cool and really interesting by the end of it. So we're going to get into Tinker and start making this project, and it should only take hopefully a class or 2 with really cool results.